Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia with another video. Yeah, it's time to clean up some products. It's just too much stuff. I don't like a lot of clutter. And I got a nice amount of natural hair products. As you know, I relax my hair, so I don't need none of this stuff, honestly. So I'm gonna go through, show y'all what I am getting rid of from my natural hair stash. Some of this stuff is getting passed along, and I'm looking, some of this stuff can go in the trash. So we just gonna go on and get through it. All right, so first things first is this Talia Wajid Curly Girl Jello. I did love this. I love this in my hair. It's actually empty. If you can see, it ain't really much in here. So this can go in the garbage. I did use this though to define my curls. It gave me a lot of definition, and I did not like crunch. I like a soft hold. So it did accomplish that. Sometimes it could be too soft of a hold, and I will get frizz early on, but for the most part, I like this. This was like a real go-to gel for me. Since we're talking about gels, I guess I'll get into the Echo Styler. This is the black seed and castor oil. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm not going to get rid of all of this. I'm going to take some of this out and keep some and then pass along the rest. I know I won't need half of this. I'll probably just get me a little small one, only because in the summer months, I do want to do like some wet looks. So I think that the Echo Styler Gel will be great in accomplishing those looks. I really did not use this as much. Well, I did. I used it a lot, but I used it, but I didn't use it a lot when it came to styling my hair and defining my curls. At one point, I didn't even put a dent in this. At one point, I wasn't really using a lot of gels for defining my curls. So yeah, this has been passed along. I'm going to pass this along, but I'm going to keep some so that I can have for myself. And I also want to see if it's going to work with like helping with my laying down my edges, because I have not yet to find an edge control. When I get some, I like to have a sideburn. When my sideburns come in, I'm gonna see if this is gonna help with to lay them down and smooth them. So I'm gonna keep some of this, but I'm definitely giving away this big old bottle. Is there any more gels in here? Yeah, this is garbage as well. The Eden Body Works Nourishing Curl Jam. I actually love this. This was a cream base curl definer, and it actually did define my curls. As you can see, I used quite a bit of this. So I'm gonna trash this, but I do recommend it if you like a soft hold on your curls. This actually was like a curl definer, so it had a gel hold, but it also gave you a soft hold. It had a gel hold, a gel finish, but it went on as a cream. That's the best way to explain that. Next, we have the Milk and Honey Lotta Body Boost Me Curl Boosting Smoothie. I like this. I wasn't crazy about it. I didn't even use like half of it. It helped define curls a little bit. This was good for refreshing curls. So if I had already did something, but I wanted to kind of stretch out my wash and go, I could use this to kind of refresh my curls. It didn't give as much definition, and it does say it's a medium hold, but it was good for moisturizing and refreshing my curls in between co-washes. Is there another stylers? We might as well keep it in order since we're doing stylers. Yeah, okay, I got this. So next I have the Design Essentials Natural Hair Almond and Avocado Moisture Primers Pre-Styling Whipped. I never really understood what this was. This is the consistency of it. I'm losing it. It was like it said to be a primer, a styling primer. So I guess you can treat it like a leave-in, because you would put this on before you apply like your gel or your stylers. So I'm assuming that this was a leave-in, but they never really said clearly that it was a leave-in, and it was supposed to help to moisturize your hair and kind of just prep your hair and prime your hair before you style. So yeah, so I'm passing this along though. I'm not gonna need this. I don't need this. Like, I don't need this one because my hair is short and relaxed. I don't really like to use a lot of products, especially when I'm molding. That's going to weigh my hair down, stop my hair from drying quickly, kind of interrupt the mold, and kind of stops the foaming wrap to doing what it needs to do to mold my hair. So I won't be using this. So this is getting passed down. Next, we have the Innate Hair Care Collection Anti-Frizz Texture Cream. This was a styling cream for waves and curls, formulated with moisturizing benefits that help to reduce air drying time. I really did not use this at all. As you can see, I didn't really use this at all. It really didn't do much for me. I wasn't highly impressed with it. So I'll be passing this along. Maybe this will be great for somebody else if it's helping to, help with air drying. That'd be great for these summer months, because who's trying to sit under the dryer? So that's getting passed along. Don't need that. Any more stylers? No. Oh, this. This is the Lotta Body Milk and Honey Elongate Me Curl Stretcher. It's a light hold, elongates and stretches curl, makes curl unified, formed. I didn't use this. I really didn't see the point. My hair was short. I really didn't have much to elongate. And when I did try it, it wasn't anything that I was really impressed with, to the point where I felt like I had to go back with it. I do have, my nieces have a little length, so this might work with them. I also have a little cousin, so this might work with her on their natural hair. So this is getting passed along as well. So I am getting rid of a lot of leave-in conditioners because I'm keeping one. But when I was relaxed, I really didn't use like a lot of cream-based leave-ins. I would use a spray, only because, again, I didn't want products in my hair that was going to weigh my hair down or affect my mold or anything like that. So I kind of stayed away from cream-based leave-ins, but I did keep one. But this is, that's a conditioner. So anyway, whoopsie. I think this is the only one, huh? So I'm not going to keep the Carol's Daughter hair milk. This is Nourishing and Conditioning Original Leave-In Moisturizer. Now, it is kind of like a lightweight leave-in, but at first I loved this. The first time I tried it, I loved it, which is how I ended up with a big bottle. But once I got the big bottle, I don't know if it was a change in the formula, but my hair really wasn't digging it. It really wasn't doing anything for my hair as far as detangling and moisturizing my hair. So I was not compelled to keep it as a leave-in for my relaxed hair. So this is getting passed down. This is the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado leave-in. I never tried it. It said it was a detangling leave-in. I didn't have anything to detangle, so I never used this Design Essentials leave-in, detangling leave-in. So this will be passed on to my nieces or my cousin because they have more hair. They're natural. They have more hair. So they do have things that needs to be detangled. So this will work for them. Now let's get into co-washes. So I have the Pantene Dehydrating co-wash, and I also have the Deuce One Love co-wash. I'm gonna be honest with you, natural or relaxed, I'm just not a co-wash person. it is what it is. Like, I've just finally accepted the fact that I am not really a co-wash person. I was going to keep this co-wash and try it on my relaxed hair, but I was like, no, I'm not even gonna do that, because I don't even grab for it. I don't think about it. When it's time to shampoo my hair like I am doing now, I shampoo my hair. And with me being relaxed, your scalp needs to be clean. Your scalp tends to get a little drier because you're relaxed. So you do want to make sure your scalp is clean. You want to make sure your hair is clean, because I am using, I'm using more products. I'm using oils. I'm using hair pomades. I'm spraying holding spray to hold my style and all that. So I want to make sure that I am really cleaning my hair. And I know that when I'm molding my hair and everything like that for my short hair, the mold and all that, it just does better when the hair is clean. So co-washing for me is never really been a thing. So I will be passing down the Pantene Deep Hydrating Co-Wash, as well as my Deuce One Love Co-Wash. And this co-wash smelled like bubble gum. So I know that my niece, if you're watching this, girl, this yours, boo-boo. Look. This yours, girl. This is yours. I'm making sure that you get this. This is for my niece, Daria. She will be getting this. Now, shampoo. I have the Almond Avocado Design Essentials Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Again, I have the shampoos that I like, so I don't need another shampoo. Yeah. And I just wasn't compelled to use this shampoo because I have the shampoos that I like. So somebody's going to be getting a whole Design Essential set. They're going to get shampoo. They're going to get leave-in. And they're going to get this primer. We'll see who gets that. Conditioners. Oh. Well, next I have this Anti-Frizz Smoothing Cream from the Seeds Company. This is a smoothing jojoba seed oil for frizz-prone hair. Apply to wet hair and distribute evenly, starting at the root ends. I just wasn't intrigued to use this. This is what it came in. I think I got this in a Cocoa Teak. And I just wasn't really intrigued to use this or none of their products, honestly, because I didn't like that they kept on saying hard to manage hair. I didn't know what that was about. So I really wasn't feeling it. And this, I just wasn't moved to use it. So it would get passed down, smoothing cream. I don't even know, Anti-Frizz smoothing cream. I don't even know how you would use this, but it's getting passed down. Next I have the Innate Hair Collection Instant Hair Hydrating Conditioner. This is a after shower solution featuring complex plants and essential oils that instantly repair and protects your hair and scalp. 3 minutes or less. I'm pretty good on conditioners, which is why I really didn't use this. I think I used it, but I really wasn't it's like a washout conditioner. I already have a washout conditioner, and I like the washout conditioner that I have, which is the Shea Moisture Purple conditioner. So I really didn't need this. It would just sit because I wouldn't be using it like that. Same thing with this Dove Amplified Textures Super Slip Detangling Conditioner. I like it. I like the Dove Amplified Textures. I still use the shampoo, and I also have the deep conditioner, which is what I'm using in my hair now. But this regular washout conditioner, I really wasn't feeling it. So this is getting passed down. And the last thing that I have is this Blue Magic Originals Indian Hemp Hair Grease. I tried. So So it weighs this hair grease just weighs my hair down. Natural or Relax. I didn't even try it on my Relax hair. But it just weighs my hair down. And it really didn't do anything. I didn't feel like it was doing anything great. I'm not really a hair grease person. So I don't know if my sister can use this on my other niece scalp because her scalp is a little sensitive. We'll see. But yeah, if somebody likes to braid hair or things like that, I think my sister braids my niece's hair. But I got this, so that is it. Like I said, a lot of these products will be getting passed along to my cousin and my nieces because they have natural hair. So, you know, I'm pretty sure their mom would love to get some products, so they get first choice. After that, I'm gonna keep it in my container, and when I have like my girls, they come over, you know, I can always say, hey, you need something, you want to take something, and then we'll just pass it on for that. But right now it's getting boxed up, packed up because I do not need it. I will come back at a later date and show you the products that I am using on my Naturaltorelaxedhair. So I'm still kind of figuring that out. Well, not really. I'm just still building on. There's some things that I need to get. But I'll show you what I'm using on my relaxed hair at another date. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about these products. Is there anything that you use on your natural hair? Is there anything of these products that you use if your hair is relaxed? Let me know if you would like to see, what would you like to see as far as like my relaxed hair journey or just me styling or doing my relaxed hair. Let me know if there's anything that you want to see in that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.